Okay, here is 4 strong winds. I'm going to arpeggiate the chords. So I'm going to break them down with arpeggios. And remember, you can play a chord, stop, and plant your fingers and get ready and play the next one. So you could do it like this. And then if you're changing chords, just plant your fingers first and then play them one at a time. So go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. Here's our C7. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. That is 4 strong winds. 4 verses, but they're pretty much the same.